you guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I guess I've tried recording this before. I had some problems with my newest intro. I've been working on it. And, oh my god.
Feed your dragons. Make them stronger. Find the perfect combination to create new breeds.
LOL. Fuck the ads. Well, anyways, so you guys, I've tried recording this Beast Swarm spell before. I bought it not too long ago. I went into iMovie. By the way, shout out to Dank Smooshy. He was the one who helped me find iMovie. Oh god, I forgot that I added music to the end of this. And this is, I have a bunch of to say about it. This is pretty much the Smart Bolt Bazooka, but only in the primary section and weaker because obviously I haven't upgraded mine. It's gonna be so shitty hard because they're going to make the coins in the new update multiply. Now, why I don't have the update, you ask? Great question. Because I have iOS. I've asked my dad to buy me an Android phone, but he said, no, we're iOS users. And I don't have enough money. Like I said, if we can hit 1K subs, I will give away an iTunes gift card. $100 iTunes gift card and $100 iTunes gift card. I'm just messing. And a $100 Google Play gift card, unlike Exordy did. No offense, Exordy, just saying. You never did hand out an iTunes gift card. Does he only care about Android users? Well, anyways, he hasn't caught up to all my videos. I subbed to him, he subbed to me. I wish I could really play with him. Go sub to him, help him get 300 subs, or help him get that 1K plaque on his wall. Dang it, I wish there was 2 fire buttons, one right here and one right here. Because this is what I'm used to when using a sniper. But not when I'm used to when I do the primary. I just don't get that. What is wrong with me? What if this was like, really soft? If you are watching this, which you probably aren't because I only have 16 subs. 13, I believe. Thank you for subscribing, everyone, and taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Whoever does. I will get all those people, if they can help me hit 1 million, I will get you all, 3 $100 iTunes gift cards and 3 Google Play gift cards. Same amount. And if they don't have that, then $50. But only I'll do 6 $50 gift cards and 6 iTunes $50 gift cards, which pretty much equals 100, which would be 300. Well, anyways, this is, if you want like a Smart Bolt Bazooka that takes some skill, this is the gun for you. Because you have to time where they're going to move. Because, watch, like, if I go over there, like, see, it won't hit that guy. With a Small Bullet Bazooka, you can just fire anywhere and it would hit somebody. So, yeah, technically you do need a little skill.
And Willie.
Yeah?
Will, can you hear me?
Yes.
guys can either have reheated pizza or McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Alright.
Well, I don't know if there's much more that I need to say about this weapon.
What?
I'm doing a gun review. Yes.
What? Are you talking to me?
I'm recording.
Oh, nuggets or burger?
I guess burger again.
Okay. AD, you want cheeseburger? Okay. And what kind of shake?
I want chocolate.
Strawberry or vanilla?
I want vanilla shake.
Okay. And Willie wants a vanilla.
Oh yeah. Dang it. Fuck me. I'm a bitch. I didn't even notice that this thing was out of ammo. Now this thing does, I believe it has just one more higher firing rate. Okay, well, according to that, it was so okay, well, I guess both of them do require some skill. Because I literally just saw somebody shooting into the air, I believe, trying to hit me, and nothing happened. See, like, you have to time their exact movement. That. So far, I haven't been able to get a kill with this. Oh, sweet! I finally got a kill with. Oh, yeah. I was about to reload it. How can you reload these? That's my question. And another great question is, why do the Dual Hawks have a scope? I don't know. Alright. Anyways. So yeah. I've decided to buy this thing because I promised me that I would buy it, but then I never did. Although then again, I did promise myself that I would buy the laser sphere. I mean, I really want super good weapons. One that's as OP as the Smart Bull Bazooka. I just had to buy the prototype when I had enough money for the laser bouncer, you guys. Oh, I was about to snipe him. The video that I tried recording, I literally got a lucky... Wait. Oh, that was literally... No! Yeah, actually, yeah. Last video I did, I actually got a lucky headshot with the prototype. Oh, cool. More ammo. Come. No! Okay. Well, I guess that's all I have to say about this weapon. Pretty good. Amazing, and... this would be all. I would like to thank you guys for watching. My loyal subs. You guys are all my loyal subs. You guys are the ones that take the time out of your day to watch me, which I am very thankful for. I'm sorry for not uploading. It's just that this air show, this one, keeps on bugging out because it says untrusted developer. But I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Well, if I have enough room to make the next video. Peace out.